Hello and welcome to another tutorial from easyjoomlatutorials.com. Today I'm going to show you uh, about module positions. I'm going to start off with a pretty cool trick that surprisingly not many people that use Joomla actually know. So for a start, you go into the URL bar here, and then you tack on a question mark, and then TP equals 1. And if you submit that, it's going to reload your site, and it's actually going to show you all of the different module positions that appear on the template on this particular page. So here we are on the home page. We can see there's a module position on the right hand side called right. There's a user 2 position, a user 1, a breadcrumb, and a few others. So what this actually does is it shows us where we can add content in a module position on this page. So I'll just show you quickly just how to add a basic um, content module. So we want to go to the administration section and to our module manager, and we can see, since this is a pretty fresh installation, we've only actually got one module, which is the main menu, which we can actually already see turned on the home page here. That's just listing our menu system. So now we're just going to create a new one, and this is going to be a custom HTML module. This will just allow us to put whatever content we want. We'll actually have a WYSIWYG to allow us to add our content to make life easier as well. So we'll need to give it a title. So we'll just call this one test module. And then you have to set the position of it. So this goes back to the TP equals 1. Now we basically need to select a position from this page where we want our content to appear. So for this example, we'll just put it in the right position. So from the position drop down, we just select right. And here we can select which pages we want actually this turned on. Now this will correspond to your menu items. So you can select it for all pages, no pages, or you can just select one page, or if you hold down control you can select multiple pages from the menu system. So for this example we'll just turn it on just for the home page, and now we actually add some content. So here is some example module content. Now if we wanted, we could also add in images through our WYSIWYG or style text or whatever we wanted to do. We could all do that exactly the same if we were adding an article. And now we'll just actually apply this, because we'll probably do some edits before we are done. Before we're done. So now we just want to go back to the actual live site, and here we can see our module is already showing up in the right position. But if we went to this phony news page, the module won't be showing because it hasn't been turned on for this page. We can further refine this module. For example, if we didn't want to show the title, we can just refine this here by selecting no. And now if we refresh our page, we'll just have the content of the module. So this is essentially the basics of modules, and from here you can interact with components through different module positions, or just add different content throughout your pages.